Jai Srimannarayana. 49th sloka of 11th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Mate vyadha macha vimudha bhavo drishtva rupam ghoramidruk ममेदं व्यपेतभिः प्रीतमनाः पुनस्त्वं तदेव मे रूपमिदं प्रपश्य Om. Do not fear any more by looking at this entire universe, but be connected to Sri Krishna Paramatma's most pleasant form and be nice to this entire universe, because this is the universal form of Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, come to me, surrender to me alone. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall not be in fear of this entire universe anymore. I shall always look at this entire universe as your universal form and be nice to this entire universe. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall always be connected to your most pleasant form. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 201st day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Sri Krishna Paramatma came to know that Chaturmukha Brahma hid all his friends and baby cows. Then Krishna Paramatma ततः कृष्णो मुदं कर्तुं तन्मातॄणां च कस्य च उभयायितमात्मानं Chakre Visvakrudishvaraha. Krishna Paramatma, he felt that in order to make Brahma and all the cows, all the mothers of boys happy, to make all of them happy, the one who created this entire universe, such Paramatma, Sri Krishna Paramatma, he himself became so many, that many baby cows, that many boys. And he felt that just for the act that Brahma has done, why should I go and say Gopala Sutululerani Gopikalaku Cheppanela? Why should I go to Brindavan and tell Gopikas that your sons are no more? Why should I say that? And I should not be saying that. I have to make them happy. Krishna Paramatma felt like that. And then Gopala Kulunu Gopikalu Nalara Balura Krepula Rupamula Nejarinchadananuchun. He himself became so many Gopalas, so many baby cows. How many ever Gopalas were there? He became that many Gopalas. How many ever baby cows were there? He became that many cows. Vatsaka alpaka vapuhu yavat karangri adikam yavat yashti vishana venu dalasik. He became that many Gopalas, that many baby cows, and how much ever the length, weight, and the height, how much longer their shoulders, longer their feet, everything. Krishna Paramatma became just like each and every one of those boys and that many boys. He became just as it is, that many boys, that many baby cows. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 11th chapter 49th sloka. Mate vyadha macha vimudha bhavaha. Drishtva rupam ghoramidrukmamedam. Vyapetabhih pritamanah punastvam. Tadeva me rupamidam prapasya. Mate vyadha macha vimudha bhavaha. Drishtva rupam ghoramidrukmamedam. Vyapetabhih pritamanah punastvam. Tadeva me rupamidam prapasya. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.